Welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will see what BI Launchpad is. In SAP Business Objects, you can access client tools via BI Launchpad application. BI Launchpad is a web-based interface of Business Objects tool to perform analytical reporting and data analysis. You can set the preference for your BI Launchpad that determines which tool interface is launched via Launchpad. A BI Launchpad URL is in this format. Here, BO server is the name of Business Object server and 8080 represents the port number. When you open BI Launchpad, you can see the tabs, the following tabs: Home, Documents, and Open Other Documents. Home displays recent messages, alerts, documents, and applications that can be done. Documents displays the available documents and folders, making it easier to view, organize, and manage the documents. And any open other document displays each open document. Let us go to SAP BO system and see how to open BI Launchpad and see what the different options in Launchpad applications are.
So this is the SAP BI Launchpad, and this is the URL using which we can open up the Launchpad. So first of all, we have to give HTTP. After that, we have to give the BO server name, then the Tomcat port number. After that, we have to give /BOE/BI. So once we will go to this URL, we will be able to open up the Launchpad. And on the home page, we have to give the system name, username, and the password. So in the system, we have to give the CMS name and the CMS port number. Then we have to give the BO username and the password. So let's say if I log in using my credentials here. So once we will log in, we will be able to see two main tabs here. The first one is the home and then the documents. So in the home, we have 5 major sections, that is my recently viewed document, my recently run document, then the unread messages in the inbox, unread alerts, and the my application area. So in my recently viewed documents, we have the documents which we recently viewed with our ID. So let's say if I log in today and I view one report. So if I log off and if I log in again, I will be able to see that report under the recently viewed document. After that, we have my recently run document. So all the reports which you have scheduled, so those reports will appear under the my recently run documents. Then we have the unread messages in my inbox. So let's say if any user has sent any message to your BI inbox, all those messages will appear under this section. Then we have the unread alerts. All the alerts which come to your BI account, you will be able to see those alerts in this unread alerts area. Then we have the my applications. So all the applications which are assigned to your user ID, you will be able to see them here. Like we have the module, we have analysis addition for OLAP, we have crystal report, we have web intelligence document. So let's say if I have to create a new report using the BI Launchpad, you have to click on this web intelligence icon. Similarly, you can go to this application drop down, and from here also you can click on the web intelligence to create the new report. Then we have the documents tab. Under the documents tab, we have 4 major areas, which is my document, folders, categories, and the search. So under the my documents, you will have all the reports which you have created for you, and they will be visible only to you and the BO admins. Then we have the folders. Under the folders, you have public folders which are visible to the other users depending upon their access rights. Then we have the categories. Under the categories, you will be able to see all the corporate categories which the users have created. Then we have the search option. So let's say if you don't know the location of any report in the repository, you can simply type in the name here, and after that you can click on the search option. So then if you want to log off from the BI Launchpad, you can just click on this log off. Once you will log off, you will be back to the login screen. So in this video, we have seen how we can log into the Launchpad, how we can traverse through the home and the document section, and then how we can log off from the Launchpad area. Thank you.